Alright, I'm going to install a fan on my computer for my last short based on a recommendation that I do agree with. And I was struggling with some space initially, but I'm going to see what I can work with these kind of fans. So I just powered it down. I'm going to start disconnecting everything from the back. Alright, let's open the front. Open up here. Alright, here we go. This is where the fan needs to go. Just going to take off the top cover just so I can see in there better. Yoink. Alright, after dry fitting them a little bit, I'm gonna go with this one here, Corsair. And try to get it right there. So I just want to show you what I was dealing with, why I didn't initially, because these hoses from the water cooler don't allow enough width for a fan, technically, but I'm gonna see if I can just manipulate these a little bit. Alright, as expected, it's just a little too wide for the front with the hoses. It puts too much stress on here, which it will stress me out. So my plan B is I'm gonna have this fan over here really as my only chassis fan, just to get some air movement. Alrighty, we have the last screws going in. Just have my chassis fan located. And make sure to pull out the manual, and I'll just plug it in. Alright, just double checking chassis fan. You guys, I'm going next level here to try to get air movement. I think that might be a little small, so honestly, it looks horrible. I am sacrificing beauty for function at this point, which is okay. But as you see, that fan is a little big. I'm gonna go with this next level and see what happens. This next size down. All right, my friends, this is what we ended up with. The little 6-inch fan in front, kind of off to the corner. So, so these is squared up, but it's about as much movement. I took that little back one off. I just didn't feel it was sufficient. And let's power it up. All right, friends, air movement. I'm gonna wrap it back up here. Just to confirm it feels nice. All right, she's spinning behind the screen. All right, yep.